Adobe Premiere Pro. Is Adobe Premiere Pro good for beginners? Adobe Premiere Pro is an NLE, nonlinear editor, with the primary function of editing and enhancing video clips together in a series. This is the program that a lot of beginners open up to produce an easy video with multiple clips as well as songs. It's exceptionally scalable, easy to use for novices, and also still powerful enough for a master editor. Adobe Premiere Pro can be used for all common video editing and enhancing tasks required for producing broadcast quality, high-definition video. It can be utilized to import video clip, sound, and graphics, and also is utilized to create brand new, edited versions of a video clip which can be exported to the tool and layout required for circulation. Premiere Pro is a software program created for video editors who are searching for methods to enhance their works. Used by video clip manufacturers in Hollywood, this desktop computer app allows its users to transform raw footage right into unbelievably remarkable video clip items. Adobe Best Pro provides a selection of tools that let its individuals unleash their creativity as well as do greater than simply fundamental video clip modifying. They can tweak the sound, adjust the shades, and also do even more to develop professional-looking outcomes. This software is integrated with Adobe items that allow its customers to transfer their works from one software application to another, so they can edit as well as utilize their finished videos whenever required. About Adobe Premiere Pro certification. Adobe Best can be very easy to discover if you search for a YouTube video for each and everything you intend to do. Ultimately, things will come much faster. It can be tough if you look for all the features by yourself. Adobe Premiere Pro training course for a novice will certainly give you first touch with the Adobe Premiere software, as well as you will certainly discover just how to utilize Premiere Professional to edit your videos in Adobe Best Pro with these easy to follow Best Pro video clip modifying tutorials. In this Adobe Premiere Pro program for a newbie, you will exercise modifying while you learn. This Adobe Premiere Pro course for novices includes method video data so you can adhere to along and also actually learn by doing. By the end of the training course, you'll have edited a 1-minute docudrama with the provided video footage. Significance of Adobe Premiere Pro training in 2021. Adobe Premiere Pro is an effective program for editing electronic videos. Best aids you develop a dynamic video clip or movie. This training course aids you to understand and also work with standards through advanced principles and features of Adobe Best. You will run through a regular series of actions for creating, editing, and adjust a collection of video items. We additionally recommend this program for those intending to enter specialist modifying with breakthrough software like Final Cut Pro. Adobe Premiere Pro course was developed to teach you just how to successfully utilize Premiere Pro, despite if you have ever made use of the program before or otherwise. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for Adobe Premiere Pro training in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best Dreamweaver training. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for Adobe Dreamweaver CS5 training every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. Zabeel Institute, established in 1988, is a leading educational and training institute for executives in Dubai. Zabeel Institute is by the KHDA and Ministry of Education UAE. Zabeel offers training programs to professionals from various industries like airlines, travel and tourism, engineering, construction, accounts and finance, information technology, logistics, languages, and management. For further information, please contact phone 00971 43974 WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/